here we go. I rented this awesome camera off of Grover.com. I think I paid 60 bucks for 1 month. I just wanted to try it out, kind of in a situation where I'm going to be traveling. I'm going to be riding motorcycles, motovlogging. And I didn't want to buy one because I don't use it a ton, but I wanted to use one and check it out. And I think this is going to be a great opportunity to do so. They sent it brand new. I did rent a GoPro 11 before and it was used, and I did not get it in the packaging like this, so I'm super excited. So let's check out a couple things. It says on the packaging here, 5.7K 360 capture, single lens mode, 72 megapixel 360 photo, active HDR video, invisible selfie stick, flow state stabilization, 360 horizon lock. This sucker is waterproof up to 10 meters. Holy guacamole. Voice control, AI powered editing. I mean, wow. Let's see what it says comes in the box. So obviously we get the camera, charging cable, protective pouch, quick start guide, lens cloth, and then here, you know, all the mumbo jumbo. So heck yeah. All right, let me get this sucker unwrapped and we are going to check out the goods. And then in my next video, I'm going to show you what the footage looks like on a pole, on a motorcycle, what it looks like on top of my helmet. This is going to be awesome. So stay tuned. Here we go. Let's check out the goods. Wow. So freaking beautiful. Has a nice little weight, you know, nice little feeling to it. Very good. That's how you attach it there. Has the 1/4 inch by 20 attachment, I believe it's called. The nice little screw in. I'll show you the attachments I bought for my GoPro helmet and well, my GoPro mount that converts to this, so you can hook it on to any of your pre-existing GoPro mounts. It's pretty cool. Insta360 app. I'll go ahead and download that. We can also check that out. Okay. In here we have obviously our charging cable. Can't go anywhere without that. Here we have the protective case, all of the user manuals, instructions, waterproofing, good to know, warranty card, very important, safety guidelines, and I think that's it. Well, let's see. Oh, the cloth for cleaning the lens, very important, keep that lens clean. All right, let's go ahead and see if this thing powers right up. Okay, real quick before we start this up, it says pull out the battery to insert a micro SD card. Just make sure you have one with the right rating. I went ahead and bought a good quality Samsung, I believe it's an Evo. Always want to make sure you never cheap out on SD cards. Always get the good ones. Samsung has never led me wrong. And then since this is an unboxing, I just want to go ahead and show you everything. Please do not remove the speaker cover. So there's that. This is the charging port here. Push up. That is really convenient right there. Unlike the GoPro one where you got to take out this freaking side cover that's so hard to come off. Okay, so this can come off here. Boom. And then it looks like you push. Whoa, that's very nice. So there's the battery. Check it out, check it out. Very nice, goes in one way. So we're going to insert our SD card right there. All right, take it, lettering up, go right in and push until you hear it click in. Boom. Battery goes back in until it clicks and locks in. All right, I have not charged the battery or done anything. Let's see if she cranks right up. Booyah. Look at that. Very, very nice. It turned on for 1 second and then it shut right off, so I think it's dead. So let's do a quick charge up and I'll be right back. All right, now that I've had it charging for a few minutes, let's start her up. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hit next on English. Please download the Insta360 app in App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. What? Come on. Nice. 4 hours and 30 minutes on my SD card. That's pretty cool. Whoa. I'm already, oh man, I'm so excited. Oh, you don't want to see my ugly face. I like how it's super responsive too. Like when you switch the button, like it's instant, you know? It's one thing I wasn't really fond of with GoPros, like the buttons, there was just like this lag to it. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, let's get familiar with button orientation. Tap the shutter button to take a photo video. Huh. It's weird. Tap this button to switch lens. Okay. Tap the preset button to enter the quick menu, which is the Q button. Easy peasy, I guess. The only thing is I don't understand because this button is like, is it something you push? Oh, there it goes. I just wasn't pushing it hard enough. Huh, you have to activate it before you can even use it. Switching to inner single. Whoa. That's so cool. Switching to outer single lens. Switching to 360 mode. Switching to inner single lens. Okay, enough of that. We'll go back to 360 mode. All right, let's see. Let's check out the resolution in frames. So on 5.7K, you can do 30, 25, 24. On 4K, you can go up to 60, 3K, 100, and that's the minimum. Huh. No 120. That's kind of odd. Very weird. Okay, that's cool. Can we find settings? Where the heck are the settings at? Do I, swipe left and right to switch shooting modes. Wow, okay, there's some stuff there. Time lapse, oh, time shift. Bullet time, oh my God. Loop recording. Star lapse, burst, interval, HDR, photo. Oh my God, photo, video. This is just wild. Single lens. Oh my gosh. Slide the edge to the left to adjust the image parameters. Oh wow. Holy crap. Very nice. Very, very nice, guys. Okay, let me show you the mount I have here. So I bought this on Amazon. Has this nice little wheel that tightens. So you put it in the bottom, spin it, like that. And then you got your wheel here. You can tighten it a bit more. And then you can hook it on your GoPro mounts. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's check out settings. So we have brightness. Wow, so much stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this video. I just wanted to unbox, show you everything, give you a little tutorial. To be honest, I'm not really familiar with this camera, so I have to kind of go through it and learn some stuff. So I will be doing 2 more videos, one that's a little more in depth, and then another one showing you all the cool views I get and all the settings while shooting on a motorcycle using the invisible stick. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Just keep checking. Make sure to subscribe, please. I'm doing all these videos because I enjoy this from the bottom of my heart. I love doing this. I love teaching people. I love, you know, sharing things that I love with people. It's just a deep passion of mine. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe. Really helps me grow and be able to put out more great content for you guys. Well, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to check for more videos coming up very soon. Peace.